Akjul Makhmudov failed to win the gold medal for Kyrgyzstan. Can Shashenbekov lift some national spirits here in the capital? Debor Zorgi is a stern challenger though, make no mistake about it, a man who's been a stellar junior and cadet. He's won the World Championships at both those two stages in his young career. He's also been a Youth Olympic Games champion back in 2018, still only 21. Shashenbekov, however, he's the real deal at this senior level. He's won the last two World Championships, he's won the last two Asian Championships and the Asian Games. You never count out an Iranian from situations such as this. They seem to thrive in this kind of arena.
Yeah, they do love these moments. You can see the coach is fired up, he's fired up. But so is Shashenbekov. So only time will tell.
Сюрприз! Эки эсе көп интернет. Переходи на О тарифтеринде. Сенде дагы көбүрөөк мүмкүнчүлүктөр бар. Көбүрөөк баарлашуу, көбүрөөк көрүү, көбүрөөк ырахаттануу. Жазды О мобилдик оператор менен тосуп ал.
Look, these fans have not seen much of Shashenbekov today. He's performed in 2 matches, but his last one at quarter-final stages, he won in 23 seconds. First match ended early as well, so Shashenbekov's excellence on display. Can he bring it to bear again in the semi-finals? He's in the red. Debor Zorgi in the blue.
Well, Shashenbekov, one of the, if not the most explosive Greco-Roman wrestlers in modern wrestling today. He only needs one chance, and if you're not 110% focused in that one chance, you are going for some flying lessons, because as we've seen today, everybody who has wrestled really has been thrown with a lot of airtime. Shashenbekov talking to the referee a little there, saying 1, he's grabbing the fingers, 2, he's stepping on the toes.
We'll see what Debor Zorgi's parterre defense is like here. It's going to be tested, that's for sure. Shashenbekov gets going.
Shashenbekov with the grip is going to lift him. No points as of now. Will get the 2 for the turn to the side. Great work from Shashenbekov. The reason he couldn't really throw when he had him in this upright position is because his opponent is quite a lot taller than him. So even if you've got that body grip, his feet are still touching the ground, so it's very difficult then to try and generate the power to throw him behind or drop him forward.
He was decisive though in making that decision to then go back to the ground.
And Debor Zorgi on that 2-on-1 there. Now you see, this throw in Greco-Roman, you do also see it in freestyle. It's a 2-on-1, and you have that wrist in your opponent's stomach, and you jump to the side, and you use that as a lever to throw your opponent over. However, if that hand does pop out of the side, as you will see here, hand pops out the side, it turns into almost an illegal armbar in a sense, and it puts so much pressure on the shoulder, and this can really injure. I know so many wrestlers who have injured the labrum in the shoulder, torn the ligament off due to this position. The hand has to stay in the center of the body. The second you bring that hand on the outside, it turns to an illegal move. So that's why the referee has given caution and 2 points.
What can result in that happening, George, other than a slip or just poor technique from Deborzoghi?
I think sometimes people just go for it too fast. Instead of having that control, having that arm nice and tight in the middle of the body, they try and go too much on the outside, and that's where that arm then does pop out.
It's a bit of fire on the Shashenbekov, hasn't it?
He wasn't exactly happy with that situation. And so you shouldn't be. This could be a career-ending injury, especially with if you tear a labrum, that's 1 year out with operation and physio to get back from it, so you can kiss the Olympics goodbye, the World Championships goodbye.
Shashenbekov with this healthy lead, though, after those caution points and his turn. Gets straight back into the groove.
Great work for that jump around there for that 2 points.
And he wants this match over with as soon as possible.
And once he gets his hands locked, always a dangerous moment. And a great throw from Shashenbekov there, takes him over with the 2, and that will be it.
Shashenbekov has laid down the law to Deborzoghi here.